I just got today 8/19, but it looks like it's loose on the base. And you put it back on here, and it's kind of loose. And this doesn't even, the cord doesn't even fit in this hole here. Put it back on. Very, very loose. Open it from the top. Put some water in it. Okay. Now it's on. See how long that'll take. It's beginning to boil. It's already boiled. I turn it off. But the base is so loose, I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's just weird. I mean, it swivels and everything, but it's way loose than it should be. We'll see.
Yeah, this is my new TOPWIT kettle, electronic kettle. Now, it's starting to boil already. It's only been 25 seconds. That's really cool. Now, to get to a full rolling boil, it's about 2 minutes. I will pause it. It's really nice. There's a switch here on the handle that's on, off. This pull back opens up. LED lights on the bottom, kind of cool. Plugs into a standard receptacle, grounded. Very, very nice unit. You can see already it's just Really going good. Yeah, now it's about 5 minutes into it, and now it's going to go to a rolling boil, as you can see. It's really cool, actually. And it'll get really violent. It gets really, it's at boiling now. I would get one for under $25. Outstanding. You can see now it's rolling boil. It's definitely hot water. In about 6 minutes. It's definitely cool. And it just shut itself off. That's really, really cool. So it knows when it's hot. Gotta get one.
Bueno, aquí llegó la tetera, ya yo la puse en el área que está designada. Se las voy a mostrar. Esta es el área que tiene el enchufe. Nada, normal. Por aquí pones el cablecito para que esté balanceado. Y miren qué chulería. La tapita trae estas gomitas que la asegura. Esto es como un plástico duradero. Y aquí pones el té y en la misma tapa lo aseguras. That's it. Miren qué chévere. Y aquí entiendo que es que lo prende.
So far, so good.